And I know you have all those people out there. Yes, you're beautiful without foundation. Yes, natural beauty. I do agree. And I know I'm beautiful inside and out. Girl, if makeup is there, we gonna use it, right? Welcome to Laugh, Learn, Live with Lisa. I am Lisa Lanaola, and today we are going to be putting on makeup. I'm not a makeup guru, but to make these YouTube videos, I put on makeup, and today I'm just gonna show you what I do. And first things first, I'm gonna tell you, I do have some unwanted hairs under my chin. As an older adult, I have been getting some hairs, which is the norm, and I have been having to, I used to tweeze them, and then they got to be a little bit much, so now I am off to the blades. This one is really good. It's flawless. Got it from Amazon. I will be linking it in the description box below. Have to do it sometimes daily, sometimes every other day, but I have found another solution that I'm going to be doing soon. I did go and get an estimate to get laser hair removal. I will take you guys along on the journey of my laser hair removal for my unwanted chin hairs. They let me know that it's once a month. I would have to go every 4 weeks. Once I go, I have to go back 4 weeks after that, and that is going to be for about 8 to 10 sessions, and then I will not have any more hairs under my chin, which will be something that I love. I'm removing my chin hairs. This is how I shave them. I just go around in a circle, round, and it's just right here. It's just right here. Some are right here, but it's not that much. I cannot wait to like get these permanently removed. Some people do their eyebrows, legs. They could do all sorts of body parts. I shave my legs. I don't mind shaving my legs because that's like every couple of days, maybe once a week. I'm also going to be doing my eyebrows. Men, you guys have it so easy. Literally, women have to do all of this just to make ourselves look better and feel better. I feel better when I have that. I bought this. This was what I used for my chin hairs before I bought that one, but this one was too much for me. And then, you know, we have the handy dandy one right there. So I'm just going to go along. It's already outlined, but I just go there and just clean it up. So that is what I do with my makeup. I mean, not with my makeup, with my razors. And like I said, this is the one that I use, Flawless. This is the one that I use for my chin, and it works really well. Just go on there, circular motion, get rid of them hairs that you don't want. I put on primer. It keeps your makeup on, Mary Kay. I got it from my friend Keisha Zillow. She's a Mary Kay consultant. I put this on all over my face. When I make my YouTube videos, I put on makeup, and I'm just showing you how I do it so that you know what's going on behind the scenes. And I have my wig cap on because I didn't put my wig on yet, and that's fine. I'll put my wig on for you as well to show you what's what. So primer is done, Mary Kay. This is Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer in medium warm. So I put that on because I get a little dark around these areas, my mouth here. So I put this on before I put on my foundation. Just do the spots. I never usually break out, but I've been breaking out with the mask, the whole wearing of the mask, because I have to wear my mask at work all the time. It's been so annoying. I've never had breakouts since I was a teenager, and now I have these breakouts. This is just the beauty blender that I just bought from, I don't even know where. I just use this to lighten the dark areas around my mouth. I have to change my mask out every 2 days. If I keep it on for more than 2 days, it's definitely gonna cause some problems for me. So I've been changing it out every 2 days. Sometimes a day if I can. Some people keep their mask on for a long time. Some people even have the cloth mask. I don't have cloth mask. I just use the regular generic blue mask, and I change that out every day or every other day. So I need to get something to remove these dark spots from my face. I know I'm not supposed to pick pimples, but this is, the foundation that I'm using is Lancome Tint Adoulet Ultra Wear in 465 Sous C. I've used Sephora, like I still have that. Because you know in the wintertime we turn lighter, so I had a lighter shade, darker shade. So I had 2 Sephoras, and then I had this one, but this is my fave. I try to get my neck. You have to blend your neck, girl. Look at that, look at that. Foundation is magic. And I know you have all those people out there. Yes, you're beautiful without foundation. Yes, yes, natural beauty. I do agree. And I know I'm beautiful inside and out. Girl, if makeup is there, we gonna use it, right? I just go around. My daughter always says I don't get the creases between my eyes. So I try to get the creases there. I try to get above. This brush, don't ask me. I'm really not a makeup guru. Don't ask me all of those important burning questions about stuff. I'm going to link the Lancome, and I'm going to link this flawless razor. Everything else, we'll see. I don't have a lot of makeup. This is my makeup kit right here. This is all the stuff that I have, all the items that I have. I got lashes from Glow. My friend Semi sells lashes from Glow Lashes, and my other friend On The Beat Cosmetic, Jasmine, sells lashes my daughter and I love. So those are the lashes that we use. I also just bought these Glamnetic magnetic lashes. You put the eyeliner on, you put the lashes on. I don't know how to put lashes on yet. I'm gonna practice, but not on camera. Some color there. You're supposed to look rosy and fresh. Just put a little color on my cheeks to make it pop, make it glow, make it do what it do. I put on some lipstick. I live by this thing. You could tell it's so used. I use it. It's the Cocoa Butter Swivel Stick Ultimate Moisture for Soothed Chapped Lips. I'm telling you, I use this at least 3 times a day. I don't use lotion on my skin. I only use cocoa butter on my whole body, and I only use cocoa butter on my lips before I put anything on. I got such dry skin in the wintertime. When I was younger, lotion would not help me out. Like, lotion would not help me out. It was so bad. I had to use like olive oil, like thick olive oil for my skin. I found the solution. It is this cocoa butter. So I'm gonna put on some lipstick. Like I said, my friend Semi, Glow Cosmetics. This is number 25. It's a red lippy. I've been so in love with red lippies. I usually use this lip pencil that my friend Keisha Zillow from Mary Kay, but didn't use the lip pencil today. And that is that. That's all I literally do to get ready. Ain't no magic formula, ain't no magic secret sauce. This is how the makeup looks. Love it. And then I put on my wig. I ordered a new wig because I've had this wig for a while, and I had this wig for like 2 years. I finally ordered a new one. It's like 30 days to get here. It's a curly one. Before I tell you where I got it from and who I got it from, I gotta make sure that they did a good job. I don't promote something just to promote something, you know? That took what? That took maybe 15-20 minutes or less, and that you got ready with me. So we got the cheeks, we got the lips, we got the foundation, got the concealer, got the hair. And I love a big hair. The wig that I ordered is curly. It's gonna be big and curly, and I love it, cannot wait. But I like this. I like straight, but it has to be big. I love big hair. I don't like you know how they have bobs that are just sleek and all that? No, I like it. I like everything big. So this is it. You've gotten ready with me, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you wanna put concealer, like if you get dark around the mouth and you need concealer, use it, no problem with that. If you got unwanted hairs, not all, but we get them, you know, use the thing that I'm going to link in the description bar below. We're ready, and we are ready to shoot our YouTube video. Thanks for rocking with me. Once again, I'm Lisa Lanaola from lisalanaola.com, and this is my channel, Laugh, Learn, Live with Lisa. I hope you laugh a little, and I hope you learn. And get out there and go and live your life to the fullest. Love ya. Bye.